Let ABC be a triangle with A equal to BC, B equal to AC, and C equal to AB. Assume that A plus C equal to 2B, angle A minus angle C equal to pi over 3, which is 60 degrees, and sine B equal to square root m over n for some positive integer m and n. What is the least possible value of m plus n? Therefore, I think we can first draw the triangle, or just a general triangle. All right, that means in this case, can we just draw a general triangle? That means in this case, a general triangle. All right, this is A, this is B, and then this is C. All right, and then can you see that BC is A? Therefore, this is A, and then this is B, and then this is C. All right, okay, and it is given that A plus C is equal to 2B. All right, yeah, okay, and then angle A minus angle C is equal to pi over 3, 30 degrees, right? And then also given that sine B is equal to square root m over n, right? Okay, then we use the sine rule. A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, and then is equal to C over sine C. And then we know that this is equal to 2r. R is the circumradius. Okay. Therefore, in this case, can you see that? Can you see that we can say that our A is actually equal to 2r sine A. All right. And then our B is also 2r sine B. And then our C is actually 2r sine C. Therefore, according to this equation, A plus C, that means in this case is 2r, and then sine A plus sine C, right, is equal to 2B. Therefore, it's 2 times 2r, and then sine B. Right, sine B. Therefore, in this case, your 2r get cancelled out. Therefore, in this case, sine A plus sine C is actually equal to 2 sine B. 2 sine B. Right, and then we can use factor formula. That means this will be 2 sine A plus C over 2, and then cosine A minus C over 2, right? And then this B, sine B, we can use double angle. This will be 2 sine B over 2, cosine B over 2. Right, yeah. Okay, then can you see that A plus C, sum of angle of a triangle is 180. Therefore, A plus C is actually pi minus B divided by 2, right? And then this will be cosine A minus C, right? Okay, maybe we can cancel the 2. We can cancel the 2. Therefore, this will be just equal to 2 sine B over 2 cosine B over 2. Right? Okay, and then we know that this is actually sine B over 2. All right, therefore this, this is cosine B over 2. That means this is actually sine pi over 2 minus B over 2. And we know that this is actually cosine B over 2. Therefore, cosine B over 2, and then cosine A minus C over 2 is equal to 2 sine B over 2 cosine B over 2, right? Therefore, I think you can see that cancellation, cosine B over 2, cosine B over 2 cancel. All right. And in that case, you are getting cosine A minus C over 2 equal to 2 sine B over 2. All right. Okay, and then can you see that it is given that the difference in the angle is actually 60 degrees. Therefore, in this case, can you see that that is actually pi over 3 divided by 2, and then this is 2 sine B over 2, which is actually 30 degrees. That means this is cosine pi over 6, 30 degrees. This is 2 sine B over 2. Therefore, 30 degrees, that give you square root 3 over 2. And then this is 2 sine B over 2. All right. Okay. Right. Therefore, in this case, can you see that sine b over 2. Sine b over 2 is actually square root 3 over 4. Square root 3 over 4. Right? Okay. Okay. Then in this case, can you see that? Let's do this. That means this part here. Okay. Sine b over 2. Sine b over 2. That means b over 2. Okay. This is square root 3, and then this is 4. Right? Therefore, this is actually square root 13. Therefore, you can see that cosine b over 2 is actually square root 13 over 4. Right? And what do they want us to find? They want us to find the value of sine b. The value of sine b. Right? Okay, therefore, sine b. We know that sine b is actually 2 sine b over 2 cosine b over 2, right? And from here, can you see that this will be 2 square root 3 over 4, and then this part here is square root 13 over 4, all right? Okay, therefore, what you get is actually square root 39 over 8, or 39 over 8. Therefore, your m plus n is equal to 39 plus 8, and the answer is 47. That's it.